Here's how to change your age or birthday on TikTok if you entered it incorrectly. So first, open your TikTok application on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the three lines in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and go to the section of Support and About and select Help Center. From this page, click on Chat with Us from the bottom of the screen, which is highlighted in pink color. Now this will open the TikTok support page and you can send message here. Go ahead and select account from the top and then select I want to update my birth date, which is between I forgot my password and I'm not receiving my phone or email verification code. TikTok will then guide you through a verification process. So go ahead and click on this form, which is highlighted in blue color. Click on the drop-down menu and select Change Date of Birth. Here, select Update Date of Birth. Log into the specific TikTok account and you might need to confirm your birth date with a facial age estimation selfie or government ID like a passport or a driver's license. And TikTok will review your request and update your age if approved. So this is how you can update your TikTok birthday and age. If this was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.